Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Take out your PhD textbook, pencil, and rough copy. Do all your work in fair register. Use black pointer for question and blue ink pen for answer. Make a title page of lesson with starting and ending date. You can paste or draw relevant picture on title page. Then make outline. There is little bit change in outline. Okay, I tell you. First, you will write MCQs, multiple choice question, first category in outline. Second category is fill in the blanks. Number three category is CRQ. CRQ means construct response question, and we call it a short question answer in class 6 and 7. Okay, then number 4, ERQ. ERQ stand for extend response question, street for descriptive type question. Okay, I repeat again. Number 1, MCQs. Number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 3, CRQ. Number 4, ERQ. Number 5, activity based question. Number 6, challenging question answer. Okay, follow the print writing pattern and do all your work in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, dear student, take out page number 49. Our today's topic is land and climate of Pakistan. It is very interesting topic. As we know, our country Pakistan has many beautiful places with some great history and unique looks. So I will share some amazing picture and share some most important knowledge land about the landscape of Pakistan. So dear student, get ready to explore the beautiful landscape of Pakistan with me. I'll take you climbing on high peaks and hiking in the national park. We will enjoy the life in plateaus area, enjoy local food and music, and also walk on the beautiful valleys and like a Kashmir, Sawat, Naran, and enjoy fishing, have fun at the coastal line. All this venture we will do just free of cost. Yes, free of the cost. First, do you know, according to the pakistantoday.com, on Saturday, Pakistan named the top holidays destination for the travelers. And in 2018, the British Backpacker Society hand also ranked Pakistan the number on the travel destination in the world. Okay, see the importance of the landscape of Pakistan. In this chapter, we will learn this beautiful place. Do you know the social studies bifurcate in the three categories: civic, history, and geography. Okay, this topic, land and climate of Pakistan, is belong to category geography. Okay, geography, the study of the physical features of the earth and its atmosphere, and of human activities it affects and affected. These include the distribution of the population and resources and the political and economic activities. Geography seeks to understand where things are found, why they and how they develop and change over time. When we start and also I share one term called topography. Topography, the arrangement of the natural and artificial physical feature of an area. Example, mountains, plateau, plain, and valleys. Topography is the Topography is the study of the shape and features of the land surface. The topography of an area could refer to the surface shape and feature themselves and description. Okay, let's start our journey and let's start our topic. First, whenever we start venture, don't forget to take map. Okay, take out page number 48 and see the colorful picture of map of South Asia. Map of South Asia. See, there is a Asian continent and there is a lot of countries in this. Okay? Now start searching. There is many there is many countries like China, India, Pakistan, and many others. Okay? Okay. Now search. Look at the screen. There are many countries: India, China, Mongolia, Pakistan, many others. Now first start our searching our beloved homeland, yani Pakistan. Let's start searching. Oh yes, there is Pakistan. The neighboring country is India. See, this is there is Pakistan. Neighboring country India, China, Iran, and Afghanistan. It is the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It is located on the and this is a map of South Asia. Pakistan are located in the south of Asia, having a neighboring country. Or already discussed the South Asian map. There are 7 countries in South Asia and Islamic Republic of Pakistan between the latitude of 23.35 to 37.5 north and extend from longitude 60.50 to 77.50 east, covering the 7,96,096 square kilometer. Pakistan consists of 4 provinces, a federal capital area, and federally administered tribe areas. Fata area vice province and Balochistan. The Balochistan is the biggest with the area of 3,47,190 square kilometer. Punjab has an area of 2,05,345 square kilometer. Sindh province is spread over 1,40,914 square kilometer. The area of KPK is 74,521. Pata has 27,220 square kilometer. And we have federal capital Islamabad has an area of 906 square kilometer. See the Pakistan map. India is our neighboring country. Whenever we see the map of South Asia, map of South Asia, there are many neighboring country. Map of South Asia, there are many neighboring country: India, Pakistan, and China, Iran. See, there are three. If you see searching that, you will see that there are two big powerful countries are our neighbor. Yes, China. China and India both are atomic nation. See, China and India both are our neighbors and both are the atomic nation. But don't underestimate us. We also a seventh atomic nation. So there are 3 atomic nations in South Asia: India, China, and Pakistan. Our neighbor is one is our good neighbor and one is against us. In the north, China is our friend and in the east, India little bit against us. Okay, now look at the map. In southwest of Pakistan, Iran have a common boundary of about 800 kilometers with it. Iran connect with Pakistan through the rail and road. India lay in the east, okay, in the east of the Pakistan, having a common boundaries of 1,610 kilometers along with the province and Sindh and Punjab. China is situated in the north of Pakistan. Pakistan share a common boundary about 585 kilometers with China. Okay, the pink one. China and is connected with through the Karakoram Highway. Tajikistan located is the north of the Pakistan. A small, a small stripes, a small spider of one territory known as Wakhan separated Pakistan from Tajikistan, Afghanistan in the northwest of Pakistan. It has 2,256 kilometer long boundary with Pakistan known as Durd Line. In the south of Pakistan, the Arabian Sea formed the coastal area of about 150 kilometers. Three seaports, Karachi Port, Port Qasim, Gwadar Port, have been built on the coast of Balochistan. There is the there is a location of Pakistan. But what is the importance of location in Pakistan? We also discuss about the importance. It is connect with the China with north. The Karakoram Highway, China connect the Pakistan by the land. Okay, the highway has been constructed cutting through the rock of the Karakoram Highway. It is important trade route between the Pakistan and China. The highway is important. Pakistan are very friendly relationship with China, and Pakistan also provide a transit route to Afghanistan through the land and sea. In the west of China's Strait, Wakhan border with the Wakhan border, the Afghan territory separate Pakistan north border from the Tajikistan. Pakistan northern border from Tajikistan. Pakistan had developed close friendly relation with these countries. India in the west, in the east of Pakistan. India lay to the east of Pakistan. In the east of India are the Muslim countries of Bangladesh and Malaysia, Indonesia, the Brunei Darussalam. Pakistan enjoy a very good relationship with the other countries also. Iran is on the southwest of the border. Iran and Turkey, along with the Pakistan, are member of the Economic Cooperation (ECO). Okay? These countries have signed a number of projects and mutual interests. Pakistan situated the new oil producing Gulf country of India, Middle East in the world. The transport of other countries through the Arabian Sea, Karachi is an important seaport on the Arabian Sea. Pakistan maintained friendly relationship with the Muslim countries of Middle East, Gulf, and developed countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Saudi Arabia also considered as a second home for Pakistan. Karachi is an international harbor and airport. It connects the Europe, Asia, northern countries, and other Middle East and Central Asian states cannot ignore the importance of the location of Pakistan. We have Indus Valley and Gandhara are the ancient civilization causes important from the point of view of tourism. The tourists love to visit the valley of Kawan, Naran in south and Sawat, the northern areas of Pakistan. I will show the picture of different areas of Pakistan. This is the Neelam Valley. Okay, how what a beautiful area is it? And the Lake Safulmul, and the tourists attract this lake. Okay, Lake Safulmul, Gilgit-Baltistan, the beautiful view of Gilgit-Baltistan, the beautiful valleys are there, and the beautiful lake of Atabad Lake at Hunza, and the White Palace of Sawat, and the beautiful view of the Bhawanpur, and see the beauty of the K2 mountain. And what a wonderful and lovely view of the fairy meadows. See what a beautiful and excellent view of the mountains and grassy area also. And Tibet Plateau, this is a beautiful areas of Pakistan. And the desert. And don't forget the coastline, the Mubarak village, beautiful area. And the view of the Rani Fort. These are the beautiful areas of Pakistan that tourists love to visit that areas. Pakistan and Afghanistan, Turkmenistan have signed a protocol to supply the gas through the pipeline passing through the Afghanistan to the Pakistan. This project would help develop relations with each other. India can also benefit from this project with the consent of Pakistan. Kashmir is the main dispute between Pakistan and India. If the dispute is resolved between the two countries, peace will be established in the whole region. Trade will flourish. And good relationship between the two countries will help to reduce the poverty in this region. As we also discussed that the Pakistan is the seventh atomic nation in that area. It is also advanced the country in the certain technology and common country look toward the Pakistan playing for the leading role of the common development in the number of the field in the recent it has become a center of our foreign influence. I will show for clear for your more clear explanation some video.
All right, Pakistan. You've probably heard of this guy, maybe in the news, maybe in literature, maybe in movies. Pakistan is sort of a societal paradox. It's only a little over half a century old, yet it retains history that predates the pyramids of Egypt. There's so much to cover, so pack your bags and stand on this bus ride to Pakistan.
It's time to learn geography now!
Hey everyone, I'm your host Barbs. Pakistan is kind of like the bridge between the Middle East and the rest of Asia. It is the only nation in the world known to have been established on the basis of religion alone.
Well, what about me?
I mean, originally kind of, yes, but you were like one unit with Pakistan, and then you got a second independence based on you not liking Pakistan.
Oh yeah, that's right. By the way, you should really redo my episode. It's completely outdated and you totally stole that map from Jay Foreman.
Oh, I met up with Jay in London. We had a jolly live stream chat and laughed about it. Calm down, he's cool with me.
It's true, I am cool with it. I'm not really cool with it.
Anyway, time for Pakistan. Pakistan. It's interesting because even the name, which means pure land, is even an acronym for the 5 former regions of British India that joined together: Punjab, Afghania, Kashmir, Sindh, and Baluchistan. Pakistan! Later the I was added to just help with pronunciation. Anyway, the map. Pakistan is located in South Asia, surrounded by Iran, Afghanistan, China, and India, with the Arabian Sea and Gulf of Oman in the south. The country is divided into 4 provinces and 3 territories, including the capital Islamabad that acts as its own territory. Keep in mind the northern territories are administratively operated under Pakistan's government, but India still claims parts or most of them. The country's largest city and former capital, though, is Karachi in the Sindh province, with about 15 million people. It holds the largest and busiest airport, Karachi Jinnah International, and the largest shipping port, the port of Karachi, which handles about 60% of the nation's cargo. However, the largest deep sea port in the world is actually here in Gwadar. Recently, it has been going over massive renovations and construction funded by the Chinese as a means to help with access to the Indian Ocean. The nation's second largest city is Lahore in the Punjab province, which holds the third busiest airport, Lahori Allama Iqbal International. The country has a vast wide rail network extending from Karachi to Peshawar in the north, with branch lines extending to Iran, Afghanistan, and a proposed line that goes up to China. However, it would be very difficult considering that there are incredibly high mountains up further north, and today there is only one main road that crosses over from Pakistan into China. The N35 highway, otherwise known as the Karakoram Highway, the world's highest paved road at over 4,000 meters above sea level. This one little road is the life-giving artery on the 523-kilometer wide border that gives China access to the Indian Ocean and Pakistan access to the east, circumnavigating around India, which otherwise blocks them both.
They use the Pakistani rupee as their currency, they use the type C and D plug outlets, and they drive on the left side of the road. Yeah, they were a former British colony. Now, Pakistan has 74 listed individual languages spoken throughout the country, 66 of which are indigenous and 5 have over 10 million speakers each. Almost all of them are Indo-Aryan. How on earth do all the people of Pakistan stay interconnected? Well, today, much like India, the nation has 2 official languages used and taught in schools, used as lingua francas, Urdu and English. Yeah, that's right, it's pronounced Urdu, not Urdu. For reference, Urdu is basically the same thing as Hindi, except it has a few extra words and phrases borrowed from Persian and Arabic. It's also written in the Perso-Arabic script. Here are some of you guys, the Pakistani geographers, explaining the subtle differences between Urdu and Hindi. Thanks, guys. Now, within the areas that make up Pakistan today, there is no one type of Pakistani. They come in all different shapes and colors, but the general demographic configuration layout shows that the east is more Indo-Aryan and the west is more Perso-Iranian. We don't have time to explain the culture behind all the many people groups of Pakistan, but we can highlight the largest ones. Let's start off. Punjabis. They are the river people. The word Punjab even means land of 5 waters. They are the backbone of the Indus River Valley. They are known for having a lot of agriculture or artisan associated people, but basically everyone knows that Punjabis are like the partiers of Pakistan. Their cousins, the Saraiki of the south, are kind of like a weird fusion between Punjabis and Sindhis. They love cooking with these flowers and are famous for their Jumar dancing. Sindhis are the southerners of Pakistan that rule the delta and the largest city, Karachi. They are kind of known for being the money handlers, the business guys of Pakistan that keep the gears running on the financial side. Sufi Islam has a huge impact on Sindhi culture. Pashtuns. These are the same Pashtuns that we talked about in the very first Geography Now episode, Afghanistan. Remember those days. They are an Iranic people group related to the Persians and Afghani groups, not Indo-Aryan. Many of them still follow Pashtunwali, or the ancient self-governing tribal system that regulates everyday life activities in Pashtun communities. They have their own traditional clothing, festivals. Many celebrate Nowruz, the Persian New Year. And finally, Baluchis. They are the cousins of the Pashtuns, another Iranian people group. Like the Pashtuns, they have their own tribal societies. According to tradition, all the tribes are descended from one of the 5 children of Jalal Khan. At one point, there was kind of like a little bit of an insurrection amongst the Baluchi people for secession into an independent Baluchistan state. They are the most mineral-rich province in Pakistan, which is why their women are known for wearing some of the most lavish jewelry. And finally, we have to mention the cold mountain people, such as the Kashmiris, Baltis, Wakis, and so on. Kashmiris are Indo-Aryan, whereas Baltis are Sino-Tibetan. Nobody knows exactly what the Burushos are, but they exist. The Hunza people live the longest and have a super healthy special diet. The Kalash people have lots of blondes and redheads, and they practice a form of animism related to ancient Hinduism. And there are so many other people groups, but we don't have time. That's the gist of it. That's how you make a Pakistan. Otherwise, there are some traits that most Pakistanis kind of universally follow. And with that, here's Random Hannah to explain with culture stuff. Sorry, Mr. Chance. Anyway, we gotta move on. History. In the quickest way I can put it, Neolithic Mergar people, Indus Valley civilization, Indo-Aryans migrate, Hinduism, Persians, Macedonians, Mauryans, a little bit of Buddhism comes in, weird confusing Indo-Greek Scythian Parthian kingdoms, more Hindu kingdoms, Arab Caliphate, Islam comes in, Turkic dynasty, Mongols, yeah, even the Mongols took a stab at it, weird regional kingdom era, Mughals, Brit. This one, Allama Iqbal, probably being one of the most prominent ones. Yeah, so many notable famous Pakistanis. I'm pretty sure a lot of people around the world have heard of them, which brings us to the world relations, which brings us to...
Okay, let's start our topic again. Now we move to the physical feature of Pakistan. The land surface of Pakistan can be divided into the following physical features: mountain, plateau, plain, and desert. Okay, first we discuss about the mountains. Mountains are the portion of the land that steeply usually they are larger than hills and occurs in the range. The range or the group of the mountain range has several peaks. Some mountains are barren and rocky, while the others can fertile and covers with the uh, forest. It is very difficult to climb the mountain. People who learn to climb difficult mountains are called the mountaineers. So first we discuss about the mountains. Mountains of Pakistan divide in the two parts, namely the northern and northeastern mountain ranges, northwestern and western mountain ranges. First we discuss about the northern and northeastern mountain. The northeastern mountains are the high mountain of the world known as the Himalaya range. The mountain of the world known as the Himalaya comprising of the series of the ranges situated in the northeast of Pakistan, near northeast of country. The Himalaya stretched like a bow in the north of Indo-Pak subcontinent, having a length of about 2700 kilometers. It is known as the roof of the world. The Great Himalaya Range runs west to east from the Indus River valleys to northern Pakistan to the Brahmaputra River valleys, India and Tibet from the arch of 2,400 km in the varies the height of 400 km in the northern Pakistan to 150 km in the east of Tibet. The part of the mountain which come into the share consists four parallel ranges. Between these ranges, like a beautiful valleys like a Gilgit, Hunza, Kahan, Sawat, and the famous Kashmir Valley. According to their altitude, these ranges can be divided as under the Sub-Himalaya or Shivalik Hills. They are the lines of low altitude hills and stretch adjacent to the main areas of Hunza district in NWFP and Attak Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Gujarat, and Sialkot district. Here, these hills have a height of between the 600 and 900 meters from the sea level. They extend over the southern part of Hunza and Murray, included the hills Rawalpindi and Pils. The subjected a great strand and straits during the mountains building period. The Shivalik rocks are much faulted, with many inverted and reverse flood and high degree of direction of hills. In this range, there are located a number of beautiful valleys. These ranges can be divided into the different parts. Number one is Sub-Himalaya or Shivalik Range. These are the lines of low altitude, high situated adjacent to the main area of Hunza district in NWFP and Attak, Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Gujarat, and Sialkot district. Here, these hills have a height between 600 to 900 meters from the sea level. They extend over the southern part of Hunza and Murray and include the hills of Rawalpindi and hills. And with the many inverted of the reverse flood and the high degree of destruction. The second is the Razor Himalaya of the Pir Panjal mountain range. These mountains are located near the border range of the Karakoram and Shivalik hills, beside the Murray and Hazara hills. Pir Panjal range is one of the famous range that lay in the these area. It has an average altitude 4,200, 4,200 and 4,500 meters. Most of the peak remains snow. It has average altitude. They also cover the natural vegetation forest and also are seen as some places. Health resort like Mari, Ayubia, Nathia Gali, Aptabad and beautiful valley of Kahan are located here. Most of the part of mountain ranges are covered with snow. Now next is Pir, the central Himalaya range. These mountain is the between the Pir Panjal and the Karakoram range. These range have an average height of 6,000 meter. Most of the peak remains snow covered throughout the year. The mountain range, which the Pir Panjal Karakoram range, has a 6,000 meter and most peaks remain snow covered throughout the year. The highest peak of this range, known as a Naga Parbat, lay on the Kashmir, has the highest height of about the 7,980 meter. The beautiful valley of Kashmir lay between the Pir Panjal range and the Great Himalayan. The Great Himalaya mountain range is situated. The Karakoram range is the highest mountain. We can the Pir Panjal mountain is 6,500 meter, and Naga Parbat is which is the 8,126 meter above the sea level. Indus and longest river of Pakistan originated in these mountains. The beautiful valley of Kashmir also lay in this range. The great Himalayan began to climb down the further north. These mountains are known as a Ladakh range of the interior Himalayas. The Karakoram range means a black stone. It is believed to it is believed to the northwestern extension of the Great Himalaya mountain system, covering the border between the Pakistan and India and China in the region of Gilgit-Baltistan. Ladakh, India and Xinjiang region in China. The range is about 500 meters in the length, is bounded on the northwest by the edge of the Tibetan Plateau and the Karakoram Range, not by the Pamir Mountains. And the southern boundary of the Karakoram is formed with the East Gilgit Indus Chivalric River, which separated the range from the northwestern end of the Himalaya range. Karakoram is also home to the most dense collection of the highest peak to be found anywhere on the earth, including the K2, the second highest peak in the world. A number of glaciers cover these ranges, including the Siachen Glacier, Pakistan's Silk Route, or the Karakoram Highway passed through the range and connected with the China. Okay. Now the importance of the northeastern mountain ranges. These mountains are beneficial for the Pakistan. They are they are provide natural defense to Pakistan from the north due to the high and the uneven surface. They protect Pakistan from the cold freezing wind blowing from the North Pole, and the mountain cause high rainfall in Punjab and northern areas of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. During winter, these mountains are covered with snow, which melt during the summer season and raise the underground water table. These mountains cover 80% of forest for our country, and 4.5 the geographical area of Pakistan is under forest, but these forests are quite thick and they are source of great wealth of the economy. Okay, now today our topic, uh, we finish our topic here, and we will continue on Friday from northwestern and western mountain ranges. Okay, now I'll share the home tasks. Okay, today we discuss about the land and climate of Pakistan and location of Pakistan, and we discuss the importance of Pakistan and physical features of Pakistan, and we discuss about the detail. We discuss about the mountain ranges and the northern and northeastern mountain ranges of Pakistan. Okay, now we discuss about the today's home task. The home task is number one, find out at least five blanks from books, page number 49 to 52. Okay, page number 49 to 52. Okay, question number one, describe the location of Pakistan in four sentences. Answer given on page number 49. Okay, name the neighboring countries of Pakistan. It is also answer also you will find in page number 49. Write one paragraph about the Karakoram mountain. You can find the answer page number 53. Page number 53, the Karakoram mountain range. Page number 53. Write four Himalayan mountain ranges name, and you can write from the page number 52. You can find out the answer from page number 52 to 53. The Himalaya, the Sub Himalaya or Shivallic Hills, the Lesser Himalaya, the Great Himalayan Mountain Range, and Ladakh Mountain and Karakoram ranges. Okay. The fourth question is write four lines about the Great Himalayan Mountain Range. The answer given on page number 52. You can find the answer on page number 52. Write any four importance of northeastern mountain range. Okay, you can find the answer on page number 53. Okay, now today homework is question number one, question number two, question number three, question number four, and question number five. Your home task is CRQ question number one to question number five. Okay, and you also find at least five blanks from each topic. Okay, from page number each topic means 49. Okay, at least five blanks from each topic. Okay, describe the location of Pakistan for four sentences. Okay, I repeat the home task. Question number one, CRQ, describe the location of Pakistan in four sentences. Name, you can find the answer on page number 49. Name the neighboring country, page number 49. You will find the answer on page number 49. Write the paragraph about the Karakoram mountain range. Go page number 53. Page number 53. And second heading, the Karakoram mountain ranges. Name the four Himalaya mountain ranges. Page number 52 and 53. Okay. And the Great Himalaya mountain range, page number 52. Write the four importance of northern eastern mountain ranges on page number 53. Okay. Just your homework is from question number 1 to question number 5. Okay. Do all work in your pair copy. Okay. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.